Hello, boys and girls. Welcome. We're going to do today an experiment. The objective is to find out what color absorbs more light and heat. All right. So today I had a scenario. Okay. So the scenario is that one day I went to the beach with my friend and I was wearing a black shirt. My friend was wearing a white shirt. So while I was wearing the black shirt, I was feeling hot and I wasn't feeling very well. My friend, who was wearing the white shirt, she was feeling all right. She wasn't feeling unwell. She wasn't feeling bad as me. So we were wondering, does it have to do anything with our shirts? How about we do the experiment to find out? So what we're gonna need is a black construction paper, pretending that it's the black shirt that I was wearing. And then we're gonna need a white construction paper, all right? And this was my French color shirt, right? So we're gonna put them right here next to each other. And then we're gonna need ice, all right? Just one single ice. So we're gonna put them, I already prepared them for you. I put them on a bag, in a Ziploc bag. And this one is just one ball of ice, all right? So I'm gonna put it on top of my paper, just like this. And then on the other one, I'm gonna put it on top of the white paper, all right? I don't think you can see it. Let me see if I can flip this around and you can see it a lot better. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're gonna break into groups and then each one of you are gonna have one of this on your table, all right? So we're gonna break into groups and then we're gonna be sharing in groups about what we think, which one's gonna melt faster. You think the one on the black construction paper is gonna melt faster or the ice on the white paper will melt faster? Okay, thumbs up. And then what we're gonna be using is the sun. But what season are we in? That's right, we're in winter, so we don't really have a lot of sun. So right now, I'm just gonna be using my lamp for sun, all right? So you can predict what's gonna happen. So talk amongst yourselves. I'm gonna give you a minute and talk about which one's gonna melt faster, okay? Which ice is gonna melt faster, the one on the black construction paper or on the white one, all right? So I'll give you a minute. All right, so after talking, we're gonna be sharing, all right? So we're gonna be sharing what our thoughts are. All right, I like to hear all your thoughts. And right now we're gonna get out this paper, just like this. It looks just like this. There we go. And so right here, this symbolizes the black paper, the black construction paper, and this one, the white one, all right? So it's asking you here on the first one, it's asking you, place an ice cube on the black paper and one on the white paper in a zipper bag. Did we already do that? That's right. So let's go to the next one. Draw what it looks like. So it's telling us to draw what it looks like, what it looks right now. So on the black paper, you're gonna draw what it looks like, and then on the white paper, you're gonna draw what it looks like right now, okay? So this is us predicting. We're gonna be doing this, and then we're gonna be predicting which one is gonna melt faster, all right? So I'm gonna draw that really quick with you. So look at this. So that way you can see, this is what it looks like on the black paper, and this is on the white paper. You can freeze the image if you want. There we go. So I'm gonna draw what it looks like. Really quickly, I'm just gonna draw that I have a zipper bag on top of the papers, and it has ice on it, it has round ice. So that's what I do, that's what I see. All right, that's what I see. And then it's asking, the next question is, which one do you think will melt first? So since we already talked in our groups, and then they gave really good ideas, I think I'm going to go with what most of my group said. I'm gonna go with the black paper. So I'm gonna write black paper because I agree with them. Right there, I wrote black paper. You can point an arrow. You can point an arrow on it as well, all right? You can see, right here, I just pointed an arrow. I'm sorry, you can't see. Right there, okay? I just pointed that black arrow. Okay, so, and then the next question is, what happened? Well, we don't know yet, so we're gonna go and do that, all right? So we're gonna be putting, since we don't have the sun, you can do this outside, but we're gonna be using the lamp for right now, all right? So once I turn it on, I'm gonna put them under, like this. So both of them like this, for about 10 minutes. And then we'll see what happens in 10 minutes, okay? All right. And while we're waiting, when it's melting, we can go back on our seat and we're gonna be looking at our drawings and talk with your neighbors, see what you notice, all right? What do you see happening? So you can talk up with your group. Okay, so I've left this before for about 10 minutes. So we're gonna see what it looks like now, all right? So this one's on the black paper. You see what happened? That's right, there's a lot of water, right? It melts. That's right, that's what happens. And so you can see the water right here. Let's take a look at the white one. Let's look at this. Wow, I don't see a lot of water right here, not compared to the black one. Look at this. I'm sorry, the light is reflecting. So we're gonna draw what happened. So on our paper, it asks us what happened. So we're gonna draw what happened on each of the papers, all right? So I'm gonna draw really quickly what I see. What did you see? So I'm gonna draw with lots of water, the black construction paper, and on the white one, I'm gonna draw a little bit of water because I didn't see a lot. That's my drawing. Okay, are we all done? Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next question asks, which one melted first? So which one did you think melted first? Yes, the black one, right? The ice on the black construction paper. So I'm gonna put on the black construction paper. Oh, my bad. I made a mistake, it's okay. You can always erase it. The black paper. Black paper. Or I can just draw an arrow, right? Sorry. Or I can just draw an arrow right there. Yeah, so which color absorb light and heat? Which one do you think absorbs more light and heat? What is absorbs when you absorb something? Yes, when you're taking away, right? When you're soaking. It's like a sponge. Yes, so the black paper acted like a sponge. So it was grabbing all the light from the lamp, all the light and all the heat from the lamp. That's why it melted, the ice melted faster. What about the one on the white? What happened to this? it didn't absorb as much light and heat, right? So it didn't melt as fast. So what do you think? I felt like like it was hot. Why did I feel like that? And my friend was feeling fine. She didn't feel like it was hot, and she was wearing the white shirt. Yes, because I was absorbing more light, right, from the sun. I was absorbing more light and heat, so I was feeling hot. But my friend was wearing the white shirt, so she wasn't feeling as hot, or she wasn't feeling because she wasn't absorbing a lot of light or heat. That's right. Okay, so what do you think if what do you think would happen if I have taken a cup full of ice, if I have a cup that is black and full of ice to the beach? What would happen? And it's a very sunny day. What do you think would happen if I had taken a black cup with full of ice on a sunny day? Would my would my ice be melting fast or slow? Yes, it would be melting very fast, right? Okay, how about you talk to your neighbors and see what they think? All right, I'll give you a minute. All right, so what do you think would happen if I have taken a white cup and full of ice? Would they melt fast or slow? Probably slower, right? You're right. Yeah, probably slower. Why? Why? Why do you think that? Yes, because based on our experiment, that's right. Based on our experiment, the black construction paper absorbed more light and heat compared to the white one. So maybe I should be wearing a white shirt and maybe I should be taking a white cup full of ice when I go to the beach, right? I wonder what would happen if we have chosen other colors. What if instead of black and white paper, we would have chosen maybe a green, a dark green, just like my scarf, and then maybe a light blue. Would it happen? Would there be any difference? Hmm. Maybe you can try that at home and let me know. All right. Okay, so that was our experiment for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. If you have any questions, please message me. Okay. Bye, guys.